Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living. Today we're going to do a time warp. It is close to Easter and my granny used to make these when I was a kid and we just absolutely loved them. Now I know times are different, things change, but kids still love fruit. I don't see how you could possibly go wrong with kids and fruit. This is so easy. It's going to go together so fast. I'm doing it tonight for Easter. I'm going to go put it away. It's called Summer's Delight, and it's just little frozen fruit cups. That's all it is. 10 minutes, you're done. You stick them in the freezer. In 45 minutes, you could actually eat them. But I'm going to save these, and I'm going to take them to Easter. You know, for our family Easter thing. We're going to have it at the park this year because there's a lot of us now. And so I'm going to show you, we're just going to get started and I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright, you need 10 ounces of strawberries. And I've had these since last spring, so I'm glad to be using them for something. I put up a whole bunch of preserves and I still have them, so I don't need any. Alright, now jar, a can of peaches with its juice. Dump it right on in there. Pineapple chunks. We're gonna pour this out into that peach. That doesn't look like a cup. You need a cup, you need all the pineapples, and then you need 1 cup of the pineapple juice. And that's not quite, but it'll do. It'll do. Alright. Now, you need a half, because you only need 6 ounces of thawed orange juice concentrate. So just half of it. Yep, that's about half. Need some grapes. That's about enough because you really only want, 3 or 4 per cup, so that's good. And you're going to need 2 fresh bananas. Cut. Just in bite-sized pieces. Second banana going in. There we go. And a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now we're just going to stir that up. Make sure we get that orange juice and that lemon juice on everything. Okay, back when my granny made these, you used to get these little 5.5 ounce cup, like Dixie cups. At school you used to use them for spit cups or something. But anyway, the little cups. I can't find them. I'm sure they exist somewhere, but I couldn't find them. So what I'm going to do is these paper dollar store cups and I'm just going to fill them up halfway because they don't need that much. That's a 12-ounce cup. So we're just going to fill them down half, and then they'll just have to rip the cup until they get down to it. Because you're supposed to rip the paper off as you eat so that you don't make a mess. So this is just going to have to work. Anyway, so now we're just going to get them filled up. That's it. We're good. Let's get them filled up. Just make sure you get some juice and some fruit, a little bit of all the different fruits in every little cup. So I'm just going to use plastic wrap, and I'm just going to put it right over the top, just like that. And I'm going to take a dollar store rubber band and seal it just like that. All right, now they're going to go in the freezer in 45 minutes to an hour. You could serve them if you wanted to, but what I'm doing is I'm getting ahead for Easter, and these are going to go in the freezer. That's one less thing I got to worry about later. If y'all enjoyed this, come back and see me, and we'll find something else easy to do later. Bye.